Hello, Tom. Are you okay today?
No, I feel bad.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. Is that bad?
Maybe. Is your head hot?
Yes, it is.
Can I check your temperature?
Yes, please.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I cough a lot.
Do you cough at night?
Yes, I do. Is my cough bad?
It's not too bad. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, it hurts.
Is it hard to swallow?
Yes, it is.
Do you sneeze a lot?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a runny nose?
Yes, I do. Can you give medicine?
Yes, I will. Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Do you sleep well?
No, I don't. Is that a problem?
Maybe. Do you sleep a lot?
No, I sleep little.
Do you eat good food?
Not always. Is food important?
Yes, it is. Do you eat fruit?
Sometimes.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I do. Is water good?
Yes, it's very good. Do you drink soda?
Yes, I like soda.
Is it a lot of soda?
Yes, every day. Is soda bad?
Yes, too much is bad. Do you eat candy?
Yes, I love candy.
Do you exercise?
No, I don't. Should I exercise?
Yes, it's good. Do you walk every day?
Yes, a little.
Do you feel pain?
Yes, my head hurts.
Is it a bad headache?
Yes, it is. Can you help me?
Yes, I will. Do you feel dizzy?
Sometimes.
Do you stand up fast?
Yes, I do. Is that bad?
Sometimes. Do you have allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't. Is smoking bad?
Yes, very bad. Do you feel stress?
Yes, I do.
Do you work a lot?
Yes, I do.
Do you relax?
Not much. Should I relax?
Yes, you should. Do you drink tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like hot tea?
Yes, it's nice.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, I think so.
Do you take medicine now?
No, I don't.
Can you take pills?
Yes, I can. Are pills safe?
Yes, they are. Do you want to feel better?
Yes, I do.
Do you rest at home?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you stay home tomorrow?
Yes, I can. Will I be okay?
Yes, you will. Do you have questions?
Yes, I do.
Can I answer your questions?
Yes, please. Can I call you later?
Yes, you can. Do you feel okay now?
A little better.
Good. Can you come back tomorrow?
Yes, I can. Thank you, doctor.